Hey guys, I'm Leslie. Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to do some cute closet organization ideas. I have this totally messy linen closet that's in my upstairs hallway and it's just kind of always a mess. And so I wanted to just, organize it and kind of decorate it and make it look really cute for guests that come over to my house. If you haven't already, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And let me show you some cute ideas that I have. Okay, so to begin with, I'm just gonna clear everything out of this closet and then that way we can just start all over. Okay, so we have it all emptied out here and I went and I got some really cute storage bins from Bed Bath & Beyond and Kirkland's. So let me show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, so I have a big pile of stuff here and I'm just gonna kind of go through it and pick what I want to keep and what I don't. Like, I already don't know why I still have this. This is like an old, I think, bath rug for the bathroom. I know I'm not gonna use this anymore. This is gonna go in the toss pile. Old towels that I know I'm not gonna use, I'm gonna get rid of those also. I also have a lot of tablecloths and I'm gonna keep all those and we're gonna organize them very nicely. Definitely keeping the beach towels. Definitely want our extra sheets. And then I have a few random odds and ends things in here, like a steamer and a back massager. And then over here I have all of the big blankets and we'll figure out what all we're gonna do with this. So I went to Bed Bath & Beyond and I got some new storage bins. They have some adorable ones there, so cute. I'm gonna do a theme, gray and pink. And I have a couple different ones. And then one I got from Kirkland's that I really like also. And I wish so much that I could get you a more straight on view of this closet, but there is a wall right here. And so I cannot get distance away to show you. So I'm gonna try my hardest, so bear with me. So to begin with, I went through and I laid out how I think I want my storage bins to be for the closet. And then that way, I can then go back and put the items in. This pink one is so cute. I think I'm definitely gonna use this one for washcloths. This one I think will be perfect for the beach towels. I think that it's long enough that I can roll them up and lay them all down in there nicely. That's gonna work perfect. Okay, this one on this upper shelf right here, I'm gonna use this for my tablecloths. It's just the perfect size. Okay, this one right here, I'm gonna use for extra sheets. Okay, this one I'm gonna use for the extra little weird items that I had, like the steamer, the back massager, just to have a place for it to go. I don't like how that sticks up there. Let me think about this. I might switch and put it in this one. That looks so much better because now you cannot see at all. Okay, and it'll be perfect to go ahead then and use this one for my hand towels. That way they can lay in here perfect and they are not looking messy. Quick interruption, just in case you're wondering where my actual towels are for my guests. I have this nice little rack that hangs in my guest bedroom closet that has all the supplies that they need. So if you're wondering, dang, she doesn't have very many towels, they're actually in here. All we have left is this bottom one here. And I'm gonna put all those little throw blankets that I have in it, and we're just gonna like roll them up and have them coming out the top and looking cute. And then, oh my goodness, this closet looks a million times better. Notice how I'm turning the blankets inside out so all of them are the cream color, so that way it all looks uniform and matches. That turned out so cute. And lastly, I just added in this cute little stand, and I put some extra hand soaps, some hand lotion, some room spray, and some hand sanitizer. And then down here, I just added in our little bit of toilet paper. We all know how valuable that is right now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.